Hey everyone, sorry for the delay because we had some crazy issues with. I'm in India, by the way, so that's the reason you can see that there are like so much issues. And we have Abhishek and Jay Sadhana, and Jay say a hi, and Abhishek say a hi, and go ahead.
Hey,
I'm gonna
hello.
give. Okay, we are getting a lot of things. Yeah. Boss, everyone, we are in a Indian standard time. So sorry about that. Okay, by the way, please let's have it in English, please, because मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती. Okay? You're from Kolkata, Akash, and I mean, like, there are like so many people here. Okay, nice. Registering in the hackathon. Okay, is there any possible chance of registering in the open source social vendor? Yes. Okay, then I guess I will give all the. Yeah, go on, Jay Sadhana. Go on.
Registration, I don't think it is possible because
Hey, do something that people have come to my stream just for asking this one.
Okay, let me try. Give me 2 hours, 3 hours time. If it's possible, I'll just extend it for 1 day. Perfect, man.
Okay, so we have got it. Enjoy. Okay, so today we have Jay Sadhana as well as Abhishek here. So Abhishek, do you want to say hi because this is the first time we are getting you
Yes,
in the stream?
right. Yes, sure. So, hey, hello everyone. I'm Abhishek, and great to have you all here in the opening ceremony of SWoC. I know you all are very excited to start contributing with lots of the doubts and lots of queries. But yes, we'll solve all of the queries. We have all the things made up. We'll shoot all the guidelines. Uh, Probably we will create some documentation where you can find your doubt and you can also see the solution to it. And yes, you're good to go. There are some issues with the time, but don't worry, don't get panic. uh, Everything will be sorted in just today or by max by tomorrow itself, and then yes, we are good to go. So this opening ceremony is for the same purpose. We are having like we'll explain all the things, how things will work here, then some of the elements, some of the procedures, rewards, rules, and yes, we'll cover a lot of things. So yes, be ready.
I'll also take care of all the technical questions that will be answered. For example, we have another person saying like, how can we, as a project admin, Sanchit has got this question, how do I assign the labels? Labels are assignable only for the pull request. And I mean, like what we are currently looking at, what is the technical stuff that we are in the behind the scenes. What is happening is only the PR labels are being considered. So when a PR is created as a project admin or a mentor will be like, you will be assigning collaborator position for them, so that way you would be able. Okay, questions like this will be answered today. I hope we all will have a great time today. So over to you, Jay or Abhishek, whoever wants to take it over.
Okay, sure. So I will share the PPT.
Okay, cool.
I'm sharing my screen. Just a minute. Okay, please accept the request of screen sharing.
Oh, sorry, again, another technical glitch that we are facing. So please allow us. So we have been getting a lot of crazy things these days. So and unfortunately, I'm not in my exact position, so that
it happens.
It happens. Sorry about that. Try again if you are able to.
Yes. Just okay.
ஆகாஷ் தாஸ் கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்ல பேசுறியா இல்லைன்னா இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுறியா எனக்கு புரிய மாட்டேங்குதுடா. So we have our screen sharing up. Dude, that's not the right to share. Switch it on the full screen, man.
Yes.
Okay. Switching back to the normal thing. No. Just click on the present.
All these things,
Click on the present on the top. You have a present on the top.
Yes,
go on, do that.
That was hiding.
Oh, sorry, man. Oh.
Okay, so yes, this is the starting, and yep, you must have seen the theme on our website, the winter theme. The winter is back. And let's get started. So, starting with the basic plan, we have mentioned this thing on our website to what are the dates, when will the program start, then what will be the end. So, yes, this is the period that 25 to 38 December community bonding phase, which we have completed. And we have some many doubts and questions in this period. Uh, but yes, now we'll solve all of your doubts in this meet itself. As we have started with the contribution period on 1 Jan itself, and the contribution period will end on 1 March. You have 2 months of like 60 days to contribute to this any project you want, any project or any tech stack you want to improve of yourself. You're open to choose any project, any open project that is mentioned on SWoC website, right? So before choosing any project, make sure you are good with the tech stack, or you know what the project is, what are they trying to do, then see the issues which they have opened, or talk to the project admin, talk to the mentors, and then yes, you are good to go. So yes, uh, talking about the end phase, that like most of you are waiting for that, like the results, which we will announce in between 5 to 15 March. Mostly it will announce it by 10 to 15 March, in between that, right? So I hope the timeline is pretty clear now. We also have this timeline on our website. So if you have any doubts or any misunderstanding, just visit the website. Yes, now talking about the rewards. What are the rewards? Like lot of you guys are asking like Faida kya hai? What is the benefit of contributing to
Abhishek,
open source?
just 1 second.
Yep.
Is the stream audio and video clear? Please kindly say yes, or the audio or video is clear, because I see Akash Das asking to start something. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to say.
Okay.
Okay.
I hope everything is okay.
I hope everything is okay, right? Awesome, cool. Okay, we are looking at the questions as well at the same time. Abhishek is actually continuing with the project related stuff. Okay, Abhishek, go on. Continue.
Okay, cool. So I was talking about the rewards. Like most of you were asking about the rewards. What are the rewards? Who will get the rewards? What will project admins get? What will mentors get? What will the contributors will have? So yes, we have a lot of things lined up for the top contributors and for the participants. So these are some of the elements like SWoC swags. There may be shirts, cups, stickers, and there will be some more elements will be added to the kit. Then we are also having some amazing goodies by our sponsors. So wait for the reveal. That's the surprise for all of you. And yes, we are also having some amazing courses for free, and also for some courses for the discounted price. So you will get all these details soon on our website. We'll mention all these details pretty clear. And the final part, like all the contributors will get participation certificate. Just the condition is you have to contribute by making at least one pull request, one successful pull request. That's the condition. If you are doing open source contribution, then yes, definitely will get benefited. If you are not, please don't expect for any of benefits from like these 4 points. Okay. So yes, there are also some more, benefits and rewards. We will announce it according to we get the confirmation of it. And yes, some of the elements are, as I said, they are surprise for you, right? So yes, now let's see the projects. What kind of projects? This time we have some, new thing added. So I guess Jay will explain pretty clearly about OSS project. What is this OSS?
Okay. Hey everyone. So firstly, I'll just tell what are the OSS projects. Like if you see on SWoC site, we have mentioned two kind of projects under 2025 list, and one is in OSS list. Okay. So in OSS list, you will find company projects Okay, we have onboarded like two companies. One is Julep.ai and one is Hexabot. So you can contribute on a company-based repo based on the issue that they have already have. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you all start raising the issues over there. I'm just making it clear no one has to raise any issues in company-based projects. They will be giving us the issue for SWC. We'll be providing the same information in their Discord, and you can solve based on that. Okay, because if you raise any issue in company-based projects, that will be rejected and it might affect your score as well, because I need to be strict in this because those are company based projects. Those are not a normal project. They are like having a huge company. Okay, so two projects I've already added, and if I will be having more, then I will just update in the Discord itself what are the things about. And so next project section, I think Abhishek, you can tell better.
Yes, Jay. So yes, making it clear again, if you want to contribute to OSS projects, don't create any issues from your side into OSS projects. Solve only issues that are available to solve or made available to solve by the project owners. Please follow the professionalism that because this is a very big and a live project by very big companies, so you need to follow the professionalism, you need to follow the rules and guidelines, and make sure you don't mess up here, because if you are doing these issues good, then yes, it will be a very great add-on to your resume or your skill. Yes. So yes, other than OSS projects, we have our traditional projects, which we have every time. We have selected almost 200 plus projects this time, and there are like many projects. You will find some beginner-friendly projects, then medium, then you will also get some hard projects. Most of the projects are into web. You will also find some projects working with app. And yes, you are definitely open to choose any tech stack, any project you want to work, but make sure don't jump onto just selecting projects. Just like in the starting, select only 2 to 3 projects which you think you can contribute and stick to those projects till the end. Because if you're wasting time getting to know about the project, then yes, at the end you will have nothing. But get to know about the projects you want to contribute, talk with the admin, and try contributing to it continuously. And make sure you work on single issue at a single time. Don't just keep tagging to multiple issues at a similar time. It will it will be a problem to other contributors. So yes, in this case, in projects, if you have any doubts, any questions, if you found any of the project admin not active or they are not solving your doubts or any of the issues with any project, create a ticket on Discord, tag me, Jay, or anyone from the team. We'll make sure that project admin will talk to you, or in case the project admin is not active, we will strictly remove that project from SWoC. So this is announcement for project admins to make sure you are active and you are helpful to the contributors and you keep your project and the PR updated. Okay. So yes, rules and leaderboard guidelines. There are some rules, like as I mentioned, for contributors, follow all the guidelines or follow all the steps that which are mentioned by the project admins for solving their projects or solving any kind of issue. Follow the code of conduct. Don't just comment anything on WhatsApp. Just also don't DM us directly, because it may happen that we ignore or the message may get hidden. It may happen. So make sure you you write down your all of the doubts on the Discord or the WhatsApp. Create tickets on the Discord, and for the mentors, just a minute. For the mentors, help participants with the tech stack you are good with. Be collaborative with everyone. You have to also collaborate with project admins. Try to help them as much as you can. And yes, please also help us to find any kind of irregularities or any issues you are facing while contributing. And for project admins, yes, once again, please make sure you are active throughout the program and you are keeping all the PRs and all the issues updated. You are replying to the contributors early as possible. Talking about leaderboard guidelines, yes, we have a standard leaderboard that's OS lead. We'll share the details of the website and the leaderboard with you on your email, WhatsApp, and our Discord. You just need to go log in there and you will find we'll have a proper documentation and steps. We'll explain you how to go further with this leaderboard. For project admins, you need to add your projects to the leaderboard and you will find all the contributors who are working in your projects. So you just need to copy the issue which is being merged. You need to go to the platform. You need to manually paste that link and give the scores. We have some scoring parameters. We'll also share that, like medium, easy, hard issues accordingly. And at the end, the top contributors will get amazing prizes. It's totally transparent. So anyone who thinks if their issue is, if in case if their PR is merged and it's not reflected, you can contact to project admin or us. In case your PR is merged and project admin has added it to the website or the leaderboard, you can see that yes, this PR is being accepted and you have been assigned XYZ score for that. Even if someone else want to see what is the top contributor doing, right? For the transparency purpose, you can also see what the top contributors are doing, how many issues they have solved, and how many issues you have to solve more to get into the top leaderboard, right? So yes, these are some basic guidelines and some basic steps you need to follow. And yes, if you have any doubts until now, just mention those into the chats. We'll solve it. Right, Tavi? You've got in this. Okay, so let's see some of the doubts.
I thought of going like I have answered as much as possible. So in case if you want, okay, now I'm gonna go on a rapid fire round. So go ahead, ask your questions right now. Okay, I'm just gonna start with all the questions from Arman Chaudhary. Is there any Discord channel separate for SWoC or is it just the DevFolio Discord channel? Dude? Do we have a Discord channel, right? Just put the links.
Yes.
Like, send all the links in a few minutes and then I'll update it in the description. So please feel free to check out the links in a few seconds. Refresh this page in after I mention and or after the stream is over, you will find all the links to Discord, how to contact people, what channels are there, etc. from this one. Okay. Okay, so that is done. Why is this so quick? Okay, Anuj, can't see OSS projects on web. Really? Yeah.
Just go to project section and you will find OSS projects beside the 2025 projects.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so Pavan Kalyan has got, okay, it should be there then. Pavan Kalyan has got this question. I missed to accept the RSVP on the DevFolio platform, which I started my contribution for the SWoC projects. Will it still count as my participation? Jay, I don't think there is any relation between DevFolio and project contribution, right?
No.
Don't worry, you are good, you are in. Cool. Pratham Gupta said, you said your mentors will provide guidance to contributors. Could you please elaborate? Okay, so basically the way this program works is almost similar to how GSOC or GSSOC have worked. But if you have an experience with them, it is almost similar. So basically, project admins are the ones who own the project. For example, they created the project and they are a part of their core team of the project who works with the project. Now, project admins or randomly our team will choose the different mentors who have applied for mentors for that particular project. For example, if there is a TypeScript project, we will be choosing TypeScript related people and then getting them into the project as mentors. So what happens here is the project admin will choose to give contributor access to those projects, and along with the project admin, the mentors will be working with them. There can be some requests from the project admins to I want this particular mentor in my project, kind of a thing. Those kind of requests will be entertained. So we are happy to accept those requests, right, Jay? We
Yes.
can accept because the project admins know better. Now with this setup, project admins and the mentors will have almost the same power to accept, review, reject, add labels to the pull request. Any contributor who is trying to track the trying to solve the projects, solve the issues, will be creating a pull request, right? So with that pull request, the project admins or the mentors will review it and assign the labels accordingly. Most of the times, the issues that you are going to solve will have a label in it. Each label will have certain number of points. It would be level 1, level 2, level 3, I guess. And then those things will be explained by Abhishek soon or later, or you will get to know. But each label will have certain number of points. So if you are working on 3 to 4 different level 1 labeled issues, and you're successfully merging it, it is as similar as or as equal as if you are finishing one single level 4 or level 3 pull request or something like that. So that is how most probably the labels will be given importance, something like that. So this is the so how do you start to contribute? So a lot of people have asked me this question. Let me answer it in a very simple way. So when you see any open source project, you will see that this is the project about, and these are the tech stacks that this project is working with, right? So now what we are going to do is we will be using how am I supposed to say this? Yep, we will be asking people to choose the project that you are good with. Like for example, if you are a TypeScript developer, you are a JavaScript developer, like I'm a JS developer. So you will be choosing a JavaScript project, not a Python project. So you first need to choose the right project that you can work with, number one. Second, download the project, run like the project admin has actually created the project, and use the project fully so that you will understand where exactly the project lacks, what is the problem with the project, what is the good things that you can do to the project. So there are two things you can find in this point. Number one, you will be able to add new features to it, or hey, this is broken, let me fix it. You may or may not know the answer solution for the fix, but you know that this is broken. When you see that this is broken, you know that that is an issue. Now go to the project and see if there is any already existing issues or feature requests which is similar to what you have written down. Now if there is already an issue and you know how to solve it, go ahead and say, yes, I can do it, and these are the reason why I want to do it. This is the proper way of starting with a proposal. So I'm a JavaScript developer. I saw this project. I have worked with it. I tried replicating. I know how to fix it. This is the idea I have to fix this one. Please assign to me. Once the request you have made as a comment, the project admin or the mentors will look at your request and they will assign that issue to you. Once that issue is assigned to you, then start working. The reason why I am saying this is, if multiple people are working on the same issue and finishing with the same solution, bringing, like, let's say there are 3 people who are giving the same solution, only one person's solution will be accepted, right? Other 2 people's solution will be like discarded. It will be ignored. So both the people's work will be wasted. So time waste is like, we feel bad, right? So once the issue is assigned to someone, the assigned person, go ahead and start working it. When you see that there is an issue and you know how to solve it, but it is already assigned to another person, politely ask them if it is still on progress, is everything okay? If not, then start asking like, can I get it assigned, and then I'll start working on it and I'll finish it in within a couple of days. You give a time and then please stick to that, because everyone is busy, right? So that is the one thing. And once your pull request is accepted and approved and merged, then the backend, whatever the logic that we have used, the programming thing and whatever it is there as a separate video, how the leaderboard works, that will calculate your points and then put you on the top or whichever rank that you are. Any questions with the contribution, mentors, becoming a mentor, making any changes with the mentorship thing, like, contribution guidelines, etc. Any questions? Okay, I'm just going to check out all the live comments right now. Okay, so Pratham, I guess I explained more than what I can. So I'll wait for anyone to answer. Out from your comfort, dude. Why? Why so many number of... see, first thing, you need to have patience. Don't do this. People will look at you and they will say like, so if you're in an interview, do you do this seriously? Like, just maintain something. Okay. How will we know who is our mentor? There is no our mentor. The project will have certain number of mentors that will be displayed. We will make sure that it is displayed in the README file and also in the website. Okay. How the leaderboard works? I have created a huge detailed backend technical, the coding technical video about it in my channel. Go check out leaderboard. It is similar to what SWoC leaderboard is and something like that. Okay, any other questions related to contributions? Where can we see if an issue has been assigned to someone else? Let me... Okay, I don't think I can share my screen. Does anyone want to share the screen and show how the assignment thing works or something like that? Just show in any kind of project, like just open jQuery or something like that. And then, or any of the, hey, someone suggest the GitHub, we'll take it from the audience. Any audience person would like to suggest a particular link or like, what do you call that? A project name from GitHub. We will just open that and show one of the example issues. Don't show yours, or probably if you want to show yours, that's fine. Anyone? Abhishek or Jay, start sharing your screen. Someone start sharing your screen and show how the GitHub thing works. Just open any GitHub project for now. Okay, so Pratham has given Dev Connect.
Yes, just
Gowda has given grocery. Bro, seriously, grocery store. That's such a random name. Open, please share your screen.
Yes, sir, just a minute.
Okay, Ansh says that. So here is what I understand. First, I'll reach the report admin, okay, project admin, and ask him or her for the issue. If they say yes, then you start working. Not reach out to the project admin. So issues will be displayed in the, like GitHub, right? So just put a message there saying like, I want to work on this. Please assign it to me in the issues comments itself. Probably Abhishek will be able to, someone will be able to share the screen. So Abhishek is sharing.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, your screen is very much visible. And
okay,
let me explain this. Okay, so we have got this screen, right? Okay, so these are the issues. Go up. Now go to the project now.
Okay.
So this is the project page. So basically, this is how the project page looks like. Any project you take, you have on the top code, issues, pull requests, etc. Go to the top, bro. Go to the top. Yeah. So you could see that there is a code tab, issues tab, pull request tab, etc., right? So now click on the issues tab. Now here is where you will see all the existing issues that are created. In case of that issue that you are thinking about, okay, there is this problem in this project. If that is not there, go up. You would be seeing a orange color button, or sorry, I'm colorblind. New issue button is there, right? So use that new issue button to create a new issue. Don't do that. Don't do that now.
Yes, I'm not doing that.
Okay.
I'm just showing.
Now, what you do is search for any of the issue that is assigned already. Okay, just open any issue right now. Just open any issue. Anything random.
Okay, I will just open this.
Okay, if this issue is opened, on the top right, you can see no one is assigned. Assignees, no one is assigned, right? This is when there is no one has been assigned to this project. Okay, right side ladder, can you just mark it out? Right top, assignees. So that is where the assignment will be clear here. So no one is assigned, and you will also be able to see the labels. Here you will be able to see whether it's a bug or a feature, it is what kind of a level, etc. And we will be having SWoC as the label, probably SWoC and SWoC 2025. Okay. Now, once you have done with the, so this is how you would be asking this one. Like a lot of people will be saying that this is how I want to. Okay, just go to any of the projects that I have.
Yes, here someone commented.
Yeah, look at this one. Hey, project admin, I think I know the problem. Can you assign me this issue? Okay, so this is a good way of starting with the issue, like starting with commenting on the issue. So
Yeah, but I guess-
whatever Ansh Kumar Tripathi you said is like partially correct, but this is good. Music India, stop spamming. You are already checked in.
I guess yes, we have a assignee here.
Azra, why do you say it's a poor project admin, man? Someone is like actually doing some nonsense. So
I mean, I guess we have a assignee here. Maybe I guess this issue will be more better.
okay, so
So yes.
can you show that? Okay, stop here. So Pranshu Gupta has actually assigned it to Rakshit Gem, whatever it is. So you could see that this is the assignment. So you will be able to see that a person, the project admin, has assigned it to a contributor, and the project admin has also added the different issue labels. And for those people who are completely new to this or like beginners, go with the good first issue. That will actually be helpful.
So yes, these are some of the updates on the issue. You can also see the updates here below. If that issue is solved or not, if it's open. And once you are done with the issue, you have solved it, create a pull request. And yes, if your pull request is merged by project admin, then yes, great. Congratulations, you have done a successful open source contribution. Right, Praveen?
Perfect. Awesome.
So, yep. Should I stop sharing my screen? So yes, I will just show the OSS
ahead.
projects which we have. So yes, you can see here 2025 projects, and these are the OSS projects.
Bro, you asked me to stop screen sharing. Lol. Okay.
No,
here you go,
sorry,
here you go,
I
here
just
you go, here you
continued.
go.
But yes, these are the OSS projects. You can find the button here. And yes, now I will stop sharing my screen. Yep.
Give me some time, nah. Like once you say. All right. So there are some more questions like still not checked in and other things. You don't need. Okay, Jay, what about checking in?
I'll come. I think so. I'll just say to everyone, check Discord announcements regularly. Don't just spam with the same thing. I've mentioned in Discord announcement itself that a post opening ceremony, I'll be sharing you the forms, collecting your IDs, and the team will start the check-ins. Just be updated. Don't just spam on tickets or something like that. Okay. So that's all I'll say. And I have like few more questions I've seen, like giveaway shipped today. Like for the pre-giveaways that we had like in the phase before the SWoC started, those are under process and we are sending out to the winners as well. Just have patience. We have 200 plus shipments and we are sending each and everything one by one. Just have patience. You will get it soon. Okay. And let me just check if there are any other questions so far.
So if
I guess there
is-
was There was a question
There was a
about the
small
scoring.
glitch and Jay needs to leave as well. Jay, I'm so sorry. So I'll do one thing. I'm just gonna switch the stream, not switching the stream off, but switching the screen off. And Jay will be in our audios, in our hearts, but he will not be there with us. So Jay, stay on the call, and whenever you wanna leave, I'll tell you. We know that Jay is still in the background. So Jay, make some noise if you can. Jay, don't run away. Please make some noise. Okay, we are also going to get answering. Yeah, Jay, say something. Jay is angry on me because I took him out. Jay, please say something. Okay, I'll have a quick look at all the questions and or better, Abhishek, just answer the questions as quick as possible from your side.
Yes. So I was talking about the scoring part here. So
Also, there are a lot of bugs that have been reported by the people in the live chat. Just make a note of them. We are taking them seriously. So, who's this actually? I will look into this one as well. Okay, what's the software? It's so cool. Aisha, thank you so much. It's OBS and Zoom setup. If you have looked at my recent LinkedIn post, I actually explained about my Zoom setup and OBS setup. It's Zoom plus OBS plus 3 different computers to help me with. I'm a lazy person. Sorry about that. So one machine is dedicated for the streaming part. Another machine is dedicated for looking at the YouTube comments and the other things. Another machine is actually capturing my audio and video using Zoom. That's all. Karthik Patil. Project 20 is not redirecting. Yeah, so Karthik Patel's request, please make sure you're adding it, Abhishek. So he's saying like something is wrong. Okay, Abhishek, over to you. I'm going to go mute as well. So it's going to be Abhishek answering all the questions.
Okay, cool. I will just take from here. So I was talking about the scoring part here. So depending on the hardness of issue you have solved, project admin will select the PR link that you have merged. He or she will put that link into the OS lead. We have a system, we have a like platform. It's whoever the project admin is, he or she will have access to it. They will put your pull request link on the platform and with the hardness of that issue, which is solved. It can be anything. The easy can be like 10, 20, 30, like easy 10, medium 20, 30. We'll share all the details about scoring and the platform with you as soon as possible. So don't get panic. Wait for the messages and the mails from our side. And accordingly, when your issue is merged, you can also see the history that how many issues you have solved and for what issue you have assigned what amount of score. Right? So it's pretty transparent and clear for everyone. Right, so I will just check some of the other questions. How our project's contribution will be getting monitored. So yes, project admins are the one who will monitor all the contributions, what you are doing. And according to leaderboard, we can also see how many issues you have solved and what's your score. Will the issue raised by project admins be counted if any contributors want to work on that? Yes, the issues will be created by project admins itself. You can also create, but most of the issues will be created by project admins only. No, you don't have to create any reports. Just a minute. Oh wow, it's not working. Okay. Yes. Do we need to fill any form for checking? Yes, I guess you have mailed you a form link. You have to create project report. No project report. Can you explain what is check-in part? Yes, that will be done by us from our team side. Just you need to fill the form. Uh, how to put your own projects and can I do it as a contributor? No, you can't put your own project now. You can do your own project. We have a different setup of that, but you need to choose from our website and then you have to work on that. You have to create, yeah, no, you don't have to create any kind of project report. Yes, Karthik, there are some projects, though, like project admins have placed some other links by mistake. We will update those links before 5 January. All the minor issues will be solved before that. Just please collaborate with us. What is the way to check in? Again, to check in, fill up the form. We have mailed you the form. You just need to fill up the form and our team will check you in directly. Don't worry about that. Okay? Can you contribute to more than one project? Says you can contribute to at max 4 projects. You need to select which 4 projects you want to work on the OS Lead platform itself, the leaderboard platform. And yes, you can't work more than 4 projects at a time. How mentors are selected? Actually, they are selected, so it's pretty late. But yes, depending on the tech stack, your experience, and your GitHub, we select the mentors. Is it necessary to contribute every week? You can contribute to issues depending on your availability and your time. It's totally on to you. Okay, you have not received any mail. Even if you have not received any mail, wait for the mail, wait for some time, you will get it. Just out of comfort, I guess you are taking us, all of us, out of our comfort. How I start contributing, whom I connect to the rep. What you want to ask? Just chat GPT your question and paste it here.
Abhishek just wanted to ask this person out from comfort. Out from comfort, what will the interviewers think about you if you're trying to apply for a job or something like you? After telling you multiple times you are doing this, see, you are actually degrading your value. Just think about it. After that, it's your wish, because people, open source is like seen by more than a lakh people, more than a crore people. But when you're like spamming like this, that doesn't look good, man. Just understand, I'm just telling as a well-wisher to you. Okay, yeah. Abhishek, continue, sorry.
Yep. I can't find the form. Again, you will get the mail. Wait for the mail. We can't send all the emails at a single time. We don't have that resource till now. But yes, you'll get your mail soon by today itself. How project admin will maintain contributors report? Do we have to maintain Excel sheet? No, project admins, we have a platform. Again, OS lead. You will add your projects to our leaderboard and you can select the issue which is merged. You can add it to your platform or the project which is being merged and you can assign the scores. And accordingly, our system will place that particular contributor on the leaderboard at a particular, I will say, level, depending on what amount of issues he or she have solved. Right? When will mentors get their project? Okay. I guess they have deleted the comment. While solving the issue, do we add the issue part or do we have to code it all the whole? You have to code it all. You can also add any issue if you found. But yes, if you are solving an issue, just solve it entirely. You have to work alone, not as a team. Yes, project admins, top project contributors, top project admins, and top mentors will get goodies. certificates, all of the things.
We should also do something for their, like, they should come in the leaderboard or something like that. Probably.
Yes, we can do that.
I guess if we are doing that, okay, let me put on my video as well. This is weird if I'm speaking.
We'll share the links of OS Lead, the leaderboard platform, with all the details and documentation, the steps, soon with all of you on WhatsApp, on email, on Discord. So don't worry about that. Because even if you have contributed today, the project admin can copy the link and paste it on our platform. We'll check all the contributions. Those are being accepted or merged after 1 January.
In that case, what will happen is our program will be the first one to honor the project admins and the mentors as well. So it's going it's going to be fun. So we'll see how it goes. Sure.
Okay, so these are some very basic issue, but yes, you will find the level of issue on the GitHub itself, on the issue created itself. So don't worry about that. It's the project admin who will be working. Yes. So yes, I guess Praveen, we have covered most of the doubts.
Okay, is it time for me to take over something then? Okay.
I guess we are.
By the way, one more thing. It would be really nice if you all can connect with me, Abhishek, and Jay Sadhana. I'll just put my LinkedIn link as well.
And also,
so please get connected with me. And I'm not on Discord, unfortunately, due to a lot of reasons. So in case of any questions, any help, I will be more than happy to guide you through LinkedIn. So please get connected with me on LinkedIn. Follow me on LinkedIn, follow me on Twitter, and just put a DM. My DMs are always open. So I will be definitely happy to guide you and connect with you.
Also, thank you everyone for joining SWoC. Happy open source contributions, and yes, all the best.
Oh, by the way, should we say about the social media challenge? So if you take the screenshot right now and post it on LinkedIn and try to tag myself and everyone, it would be really nice to. I'll try to butter up Jay Sadhana to give some kind of a goodies to you. I'll do that. I'll do
that. Sure.
Okay, cool. Any questions? See, I have shared my LinkedIn profile. Abhishek has shared his LinkedIn profile. Probably you can easily find Jay Sadhana's LinkedIn profile as well. If you are not able to find it, you would be finding it in Discord. So please connect with us, follow us, and if there is any questions, we are more than happy to help you all.
Also, we are having.
Go on.
Yes, I was saying we are also having some mini events and mini workshops coming up in the next weeks. We'll also notify you all about that on our Discord.
So, hey, by the way, Anuj has not received Ayush Raj. Yeah, stop the message, bro. Okay, yes. He has said he hasn't received any email yet. Do you mind checking it in your spam messages or something? And also, Rishi Mondal has got a message. I noticed 2 projects where the project admins make it mandatory to follow them and star their repositories. Is it necessary to do that? What should we say on that? I mean, it's a kind of like a personal choice between them. We are not enforcing anything. Just feel free to ignore or something like that. I'm not sure. So we are not doing any kind of enforcement, because as a project admin myself, I'm not in this time, but I usually request people to star. I won't restrict them from getting new things or something like that. If you're not starring, I'm not going to let you merge your pull request or something like that. No, that is bad. If that is the case, feel free to ignore. That's fine. Or maybe star it. I mean, I know I'm spreading a hatred here. Star it, and after the project is over or after your peers, then you just unstar it or something like that. I mean, that should come from your bottom of the heart, not forced or something like that. I always say it should not be forced. So use your decision on that.
Ayush, if you have not received the mail, wait for some time. You will receive the mail in a while. Maybe we have to mail a lot of people. So you must be in some other lot. So wait for it.
So probably the mails are still being sent. So just wait for some more time. Also, please let's get connected on LinkedIn. I have pinned my LinkedIn. I know that I shouldn't do it because I have an unfair advantage over Abhishek, but I have pinned. So anyway, because Discord
Okay,
you
no
will be
problem.
there. Discord, both of them will be there. I won't be there on Discord. That's why I'm using this opportunity to
Right.
please subscribe and give a like, share it with everyone. Connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll accept all your requests today. Cool. Abhishek, again, the fill the project. Okay, so for those people who have missed their deadlines, please wait for a few hours. I have requested Jay Sadhana to extend the deadline because obviously you have come to my channel and you have requested that. So for that reason, I have asked him to extend it. So let's see what happens. Hopefully he does that. And when
For sure, we'll do that.
all right. Okay, Abhishek, other questions, go ahead and answer them.
Okay. When will mentor get their project that are assigned to them? Mentors can choose their project, whichever they want to work on. They can also contact the project admin directly and talk that I want to work on this project. So just connect with the mentors and like know the project, right? Project administration extended. Uh, I will not say yes for the projects now, but just give us some time. We'll surely think about that. But about contributors, we'll open the registration link again. Yes, we'll make sure the projects and the issues are listed as soon as possible. Don't worry about that. On what basis top projects admin will be selected? Depending on the activeness, the project they have, like how they have kept their GitHub, then how much issues of there have been solved, and the response. So yes, can you solve only those issues with SWoC label? You can also solve the issues which are not SWoC labeled, but most of the issues will be SWoC labeled only. So don't worry about that. Yes, we are done with the Q&A also. I guess, yes, Praveen, we can end the stream. We'll take other issues on the Discord itself.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to host this. And also, folks, put a subscription, give a subscribe to this channel, put a like. Let's see if it goes to 75. And thank you so much once again for patiently listening to us. And I was just rude only for those people who have, I hope I was not rude, but I was just explaining them it is not looking good to put a lot of messages though. That's it. So don't take it in a wrong way, take it in a good way. And let's start this new year with a really nice, amazing amazing event, SWoC, Strip Winter of Code, and all the best for everyone. Happy New Year, happy and prosperous New Year. And by the way, another shameless publicity that just I wanted to tell. In case if someone is looking for any career guidance or if you want to come to the UK, I'm currently in Chennai right now. If someone wants to meet me, I'll be there till 12th and then I'm moving to London. So before that, if someone wants to meet me, let's meet up in Chennai. And also, if you want to work or study in the UK, please let me know. I can actually give you a good guidance from my experience. And I'm so happy that a lot of people have turned up and thank you so much for joining us. And apart from this, anything else would you like to say, Abhishek, or should we just end the stream?
No, I guess we are good to end this.
Okay, cool. There are like so many. Okay, wait. A person can only be a project admin or a mentor or a contributor. Unfortunately, this is the current scenario because we couldn't calculate the scores. So that's the answer for you, Dishika. I hope that is answered. Oh, super.
Okay.
I want to post you from US. Okay. let's talk on LinkedIn. Connect with me, and I will be more than happy to guide anyone who comes and connects with me on LinkedIn. So have a nice day. Abhishek, any last words before we end the stream?
Happy New Year. That's it.
Okay, take a screenshot of this and share it on LinkedIn. Tag both of us. You will win a cool prize. Probably 5 people. Let's say 5 people. 5.
Yep.
5 people will win a cool prize. But don't worry. What if you are the only person who tagged? Go ahead, do that. Happy New Year, everyone. Get connected with me. Bye. See you.